Hey everyone, today I am diving into n8n workflow and showing how I build a ClickUp workflow. Here's I connect my Google form with the ClickUps, and here's I guide you proper with you how you can use the triggers with the ClickUps, and how you can use ClickUp agents, and how you can use multiple nodes for the ClickUps. So let's get started. First I guide you how you can create a API that access token. Here's where you get these tokens. So first of all, go to the setting on ClickUp. Go to the setting on the ClickUps, and here you go to the apps, and here you create a API token. You regenerate and copy that tokens and paste here, and after that save this APIs you are saved. So in this video is basically my purpose of this video, how you can create ClickUps and automation you can do with n8n on the backend's purpose. We check that workflow. Here's anyone send a Google form in my any leads that capture in the ClickUps. And the second one, we how I you can use the ClickUp triggers. We basically inform you how you can use in your use case for the purpose the ClickUps triggers, and multiple nodes how you can use, and the help of AI agent you can use the ClickUps tools. How you can, I just that guide you. So first of all, and run that workflow. So fill any form in the Google Forms. Here anybody fill my form that I make my Google form, and anybody fill that forms. The update in my Webhooks, they receive all data in my Webhooks, and that all my data on the Webhooks they update in my clickers with the assigns per user. So first of all, we make a n8n form trigger. So here's I copy my production URLs first and go to the Digizier leads form I built for Google form, and here's you click to three dots and go to the app scripts, and here you see that code I paste in the description. You just need to remove that webhook URL and paste here your webhook URL like production webhook URLs, and after that you go to the triggers, and here's you go to the add a trigger new triggers like form fills, and select to the on form submit and on form submit and save here, and after that you see that that form trigger is created, and just you anybody fill that form in your webhooks that receive all data in my webhooks, and after that they assigns with leads. Here's I connect my ClickUp accounts with the task. First I need just create a task for my personal use, and create operations, and select my Digizier workspace and space name ID and marketing for a Facebook ads. Here I space a make, and here's my folder HRS folder HR for Facebook ads my, and the list of the Google form leads assign Betullah, that all leads assigned with the Betullah on my form submissions. Here the name, last name, phone number, emails, and the due date and the start date, and also we update that. And the assign, you see that the assign is the Betullah. So let's uh, check the final log. So here's I enter my name Nadir and Habib, 9212345678, and here's I provide my email abc@gmail.com and submit a forms. And you see that the form is submitted, and I go to the my n8n workflow, and here's you see that the webhook receive all data in my they receive the Nadir Habib, my phone number and my email, and after that they ClickUps update my informations accordingly, name, first name, phone name, and emails, and assign also in my marketing team Haris, and the data upset in my task folder. Like here's I check that the also update my first name, the assign with leads on the Betullah, and the backlink status. You can also change that. Everything is depend on your use case. So this basic my workflow. Here's I execute and showcase with you. So let's first check out the triggers, and the basically is trigger for the task assignment. When anybody assign a person with any task, they trigger that were webhooks. This basically is the webhooks data in the backend. You but is the front end we create a n8n give me a node. So basically this is a task created when any manually update in your ClickUp account. They create any task, they update information for the trigger information. Here you can such a lot of automation you can do. The multiple nodes is basically if your business need any more automations like the depthly, so you create a checklist, you create a comments, you create a folder, you create a goals and multiples. You can workflow add nodes adds like checklist actions. Here's the 27th and trigger of the 28 27 triggers here. And you can also ClickUps to workflow with execute by the agent node agent like agent tools. Here's I create any task. I just mention here, hey, create a that task. They create that work my tools, and here they create a task and folder here is they want created also. It's basically workflow is means you know the how you can integrate anytime. So if you need any or more automations, you comment in my below. The all resources I give you free of course in the descriptions. So goodbye, take care.